Hi, welcome to the daily analysis with volume profile price action auction theory of different instruments. Remember, it's only for educational purposes, not a recommendation for trading. Today is February the 16th, and let's start with Dow Jones. Well, Dow Jones is inside the value area. Today, the price has touched the value area high, and the current weekly VPOC is exactly here on 34,176. So what are the targets, the possible targets? Higher targets, value area high, the first one is very close to it. Second, this price action zone that begins at 34,417. About lower targets, first target 34,067, this zone. And the second one is this price action zone that begins at 33,998 to 33,930. About S&P. S&P, we had this downtrend line. It has been broken on Tuesday, really, and we could draw another one. We could see this trend line. So what are the possible targets? First time upper targets we have here are price action zone, very difficult resistance. Here there is a maximum of this day of 9th and the day before. So the zone between 4,170 to 4,178 is it's a price action zone, is a great resistance. Next step could be this another price action zone that begins at 4,194. Talking about lower targets, here is one that is very clear, is this weekly VPOC at 4,145. Next step could be this high volume node at 4,134, and the final of VWAP line, the point that where the price has rebounded, all of this zone between 4,124 to 4,116. About Nasdaq, yesterday this downtrend line was clearly broken, and we are here very close to this price action zone, high volume node at 12,801. It could be our first target. Let's mark it here, and the second one would be the maximums of February the 2nd, okay, approx at 12,943. Talking about lower targets, first one, this zone, this price action zone between 12,719 to about 12,668. Next, if we enter in this value area, next step would be this high volume node at 12,594, and this price action zone that begins at 12,551 to 12,491. About light oil, this uptrend was broken. We don't know if it's only a correction. We have here a zone with a lot of volume where the price has been rejected, and this price action zone between 78 to 77.57. Here there's another barrier, two weekly big WAPs, 77.10 to 76.15. Remember that according to the auction theory, the price could go to this price action zone about 82.57 to approx 82.83. Okay. Well, what are the targets for today? Here there is a high volume node. It would be our first upper target, 79.71. Next step will be this final of VWAP, very close to this maximum of the week, at 80.93. Talking about the lower targets, first one, this perception zone on 78.59, and the second one, the target, the prices we have told before, from 78 to 77.57. Let's see what happens with gold. Gold, we have reached the beginning of this great node, and if we go to this time frame, to 1 hour, we can see we have touched this point, 1846, and perhaps it could go to make the second leg. One leg resting the price, and the second leg. Second leg will drive the price to 1822, and perhaps to this zone about 1800. Talking about higher targets, the main target is this point at 1869. In this case, gold instrument is easy to see the targets. And last one, DAX. DAX, the price has broken the value area high. What are the targets? First step, this maximum of last week at 15,703. Lower targets, value area, this price action zone, 15,520, and perhaps this point, the current weekly VPOC at 15,485. Let's mark it. Then if the price falls, it could go to this zone about 15,418. Okay, that's all. Good luck and see you tomorrow. Bye.